taking a little cheese slice and put it right here. Now, I will take another Monaco biscuit and put like this. And I'll put cheese, tomato, and
cheese.
And another cheese slice. Now it's very fast. It's ready in the 1 second only. A little